Hey guys, my name is Vilash. I'm from Sydney, Australia. I went to Lithuania to train with Kaz on the Stanliner way of repairing. I'm now Stanliner certified and I'm here at MTE. I want to talk to you guys about the pirate hook, one of our popular tools. It's got a slow bend on this one. You can use this surface on the top there to roll the dents out, and then you can drag with it, and you can use the tip of it to finish off very pinpoint low spots, and you can push with this round edge as well. This tool comes in a 30-inch and a 40-inch as well, and we also do one in a slow bend, which is really good for going down doors if you've got the glass out of it, or on the fenders. So this also has a sharp edge to push and drag, and you can use this edge on the side there to pinpoint accuracy to finish off really tight creases or dents right at the edge of the panel. They come in various different sizes. You can also get a shorter version of this, which you can use on the top braces, around the braces on the top of the doors. This particular one you can go all the way down to the door, and you can go through the wiring harnesses where you struggle to get like a whale tail or some other kind of tool, and it's very rigid. It's not going to buckle on you or let go. So the Stanliner metal is German grade steel. That's why it doesn't flex. It's got no flex in it, and it's an investment. Any tool of a Stanliner tool that you buy, it's an investment. Thanks Chris for having me on the YouTube channel. You can purchase these from the Stanliner website, or you can check us out at the MTE Stanliner booth.